Hello, I am Shah Fahad, your expert guide in the world of WordPress development and server management. With over a decade of experience, he's the wizard behind seamless online experiences. In my freelance journey, I'm eager to collaborate with a diverse range of clients and projects. Whether it's crafting bespoke WordPress websites, resolving technical challenges, or optimizing server performance, I'm here to deliver excellence. From small businesses seeking a robust online presence to enterprises in need of scalable solutions, I'm ready to lend my expertise to any project that demands innovation and reliability. Let's create something remarkable together. I invite you to explore my portfolio section to witness firsthand the projects I've had the privilege to work on and the testimonials from satisfied clients. They are a testament to my commitment to excellence and my ability to deliver results that exceed expectations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about me. I'm excited about the possibilities that await us on Upwork, and I can't wait to bring my expertise to your projects. Let's create something incredible together.